What is up, guys? And today we have a Lego Rubik solver. It is Mindstorms and it's made by David. So let's go on to it. So here is a brain. Here's the flipper, which flips the Rubiks, and then here is here's a color sensor, and then the color sensor scans the colors, and then this motor here actually moves the color sensor, so then it can move it so it can scan the colors. And then right here, of course, this is the main part, one of the main parts. It's what the eye, so it sees if there's a Rubik. So if you place your hand in, it'll think that the Rubik's is there. So this is the Rubik's cube, which we have up with stickers. So it should be like that. Yes, it should. Okay. And I'm just going to mess it up. It should say remove cube and then insert cube. So I'm just going to choose green.
And now it says insert cube.
So it should be protected. So this flipping thing, that's what I'm going to call it, is actually going to be protecting the colour sensor. And colour sensor should just go a bit back. But should work. And there is a motor just down here below as well, which rotates the Rubik. Bingo. So now it's done. And it's done. So thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe and like. Bye.